and today we will have a brief discussion of the schedule of the Indian constitutions. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu and today we will have a brief discussion of the schedule of the Indian constitutions. Okay, so first we will see that what schedules exactly means, and then see what exactly mentions in the constitutions and how it evolved and from where we borrow the concept and what exactly means, and also see that how many PYQs and how important schedules are according to the UPSC and point of view of the preliminary examinations. Okay, so let's see, and we will have some look at the schedule of the Indian constitutions. As you know that schedule basically, what does it means? It means the constitutions that contain additional details, okay, list or supplementary provision. So see, schedules is additional informations. So as you know that Indian constitution has 395 articles. So what is not mentioned in articles, that is additional details that are mentioned in the schedules. Okay, so schedule is a basically a table. Okay, so what a schedule's main purpose, it is integral component of the constitutions and provide specific guidelines, informations that support and complement the main body of the constitution. Okay, so it contain additional information. For example, if you take the article 1, so article 1 mention the name of the state and the territory. So and then the name of the state mentions in the schedule 1. Okay, so that's how we can understand the schedule. So now we will see that currently we have 12 schedule, but as you know that when previously we have in original constitution we had total 8 schedule, but after that various amendment brings us to the number to the 12. Okay, so now let's see that exactly what mentions in the schedule. So in the first schedule, state and the union territory name and their boundary details. Schedule 2, special provisions, powers and the salary details of president, governors of state, speakers and deputy speaker of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, Supreme Court and High Court judges. So basically it's for the emolument is all the salary provisions related to the given persons. Okay, and schedule 3, it's for the oath and affirmations. Okay, and schedule 4, allocations of Rajya Sabha seat. Okay, so allocations of Rajya Sabha seat in mentioned in the schedule 4. Schedule 5, if you will see that the schedule area, schedule tribe administrations and control law details. Okay, and schedule 6, state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, tribal area administrations and control. So see, both are for the tribal area, but here they specifically name some state. Okay, or northeastern state, and this is for other scheduled area. And schedule 7, it is a list of union, state, government power and concurrent list. So as you know that we have a list of the subject that on that legislation can be made. So there is a mention that on which subject union government will make law, and on which subject state government will make law, and on which subject is in concurrent list. Concurrent means where the union and the state both can make the law. So this is the list of that subject in the 7th schedule. And 8th schedule, official language. So it's about that how many languages that will be considered for the official language of India. Okay, and in schedule 9, validation of certain acts and regulations. As you know that schedule 9's very famous schedule, as it's in 9th schedule, land reforms. It related to land reform. So the all the legislations and act is in the ninth schedule is free from judicial review. So that's why it's important, and various acts are in ninth schedule. 10th schedule, as you know, that it's anti-defection law. Okay, and 11 schedules, it's about for the panchayat, and 12th schedule, it's for municipalities. So for remembering the schedules, how you will remember for the the very famous formula also, that this side TEAR, tears of old, tears of old PM. So for remembering, you all have heard this formula, tears of old PM. That means territory, emoluments, affirmations, oath and affirmations, Rajya Sabha sheet, and the schedule area and other schedules area, and F federal list, and O official language, and ninth schedule land reforms, and D anti-defection law, and P for panchayat, and M for municipalities. Municipality. So in that way you can remember for all the schedules, 12 schedule mentions in the constitutions. Next, now we will see that some PYQ on based on the schedules. So as you know that some schedules are very important, like schedule 5th and 6th. There every second and third years you will have the questions on schedule 5th and 6th schedules, and 10th schedule is also very important. So now see here, 5th schedule, questions on 5th schedule, preliminary 2022. Next, 9th schedule, it's also important, as you know that it's related to land reform. So it's also important, and you can see that it's a preliminary questions. Now again, if you will see that which schedule is here, so anti-defection law, 10th schedule. So now you can understand the importance of the schedules. And 6th schedules, prelims 2025. So you can see that the schedule are very important from the perspectives of preliminary examinations as well as mains also. And if you will have some holistic idea, and if you will able to remember the subject and all the important schedule like 5th schedule, 6th schedule, 7th schedule, 9th schedule and 10th schedules are very important schedule. So you won't have any difficulty in this. Okay, so thank you for this.